Here's a nice 750cc Royal Enfield Interceptor Series 2. It's a Rickman bike. I think there was only a couple hundred made of these examples, and I've been doing some work on it. I didn't rebuild the engine, but I sort of finished the job off. I've done the valve clearances and cleaned out the oil filter chamber, new oil filter, put new oil in it and primed it, built up the primary drive side. I've had the gearbox apart, as there was a part had to be put inside that, so I've done that. Done all the valve clearances, fitted the carbs, exhausts, various other little fiddly jobs, and it's time to put some petrol in it and see if it'll start. It's got a brand new battery on it. The ignition timing is set roughly where it should hopefully start, although once it's up and running I'll have to strobe it to fine tune that. I've got my trouser leg tucked in because there's not much room between the kickstart and this folded up footrest, and when I was giving it a few priming kicks before, this footrest went up inside my leg and my jeans, so that's why I've got my trouser leg tucked into my sock. I'm going to put the camera down now and put some fuel in the bike, and then we'll see what, if anything, might happen. So let's put the camera here, and I'll put some fuel in the bike and see if we can make some noise. This is a no tricks first attempt. Might be great, it might be disappointing. Let's find out. Enough. The lever's missing off this reserve fuel tap, and we seem to have a leak as well actually. Maybe I can fill the carburetors and see if I can get it to fire up, but I'll have to attend to that fuel tap. Right, there's a bit of a fuel leak there from the pipes and taps, but prime the carburetors, so let's just see if we get anything. There we go. Fired. But it runs. That'll do for now, because that fuel tap is leaking whether it's on or off. The lever to operate it is missing as well, so I think it's a new fuel tap, at least for this side, if not both. But we got a runner. Once I get the leaks from the fuel taps and pipes sorted out, I'll be able to start it up and run it for longer, and hopefully perhaps set a tick over and check the timing by strobe and so on. But we're almost there with it now. It sounds good mechanically. It started willingly enough, so I'm pretty happy with that.